Nitin Gadkari and Arvind Kejriwal came face to face for the very first time in connection with the defamation case. The senior BJP leader, who has now been appointed Union Transport Minister, had slapped against the AAP leader in the run-up to the Lok Sabha elections. Headline Suresh Jaskirat Singh Baba was inside the court when the judge asked Gadkari if he was willing to bury the hatchet. Citing Manish Tiwari's example, Gadkari responded, saying he would drop the case if Kejriwal were to tender an apology.
आज कोर्ट ने सुझाव दिया कि अगर ये मामला सुलझ सकता है, क्योंकि ये दो पॉलिटिशियंस इन्वॉल्व हैं, तो अगर आपसी में सुलझ सकता है तो उसके ऊपर केजरीवाल जी से जब पूछा गया, नितिन जी ने पूछा केजरीवाल जी से कि अगर आप अपने जो स्टेटमेंट्स है वापस लेते हो तो मैं मैटर को आगे परस्यू नहीं करूंगा, मैं अपॉलॉजी आपसे नहीं मांगता हूं क्योंकि आप इस कैटेगरी में हैं, लेकिन अपॉलॉजी के बगैर आपने जो स्टेटमेंट किया है, सिंस वो डेफेमेटरी है और स्कैंडलस है और मेरी रेपुटेशन को उस मानहानि हुई है और बहुत नुकसान हुआ है मेरा, क्योंकि मेरी रेपुटेशन ही मेरी अमानत है। तो केजरीवाल ने कहा मैं अपने स्टेटमेंट वापस नहीं लूंगा। उस पर नितिन जी ने भी कहा कि अगर स्टेटमेंट वापस नहीं लेंगे तो कोर्ट को ये कहा कि तब अगर ऐसी स्थिति में मैं केस को बिल्कुल आगे लड़ता रहूंगा, बिकॉज मैं एक ऐसा आदमी हूं जिसने अपने आप को बिल्कुल सिर उठाकर आगे रखा है और मैं इसी अपने जो मत है उसमें आगे चलूंगा और अपना केस को दिखाऊंगा कि ये सही है।
मैम, कोर्ट ने दोनों लोगों से ये कहा था कि दोनों लोग रेपुटेड पॉलिटिशियन हैं, उनको सुलह कर लेनी चाहिए। तो नितिन गडकरी ने क्या ये मानने को तैयार हुए थे कि अगर अरविंद केजरीवाल माफी मांगते हैं या अपने स्टेटमेंट को विड्रॉ करते हैं तो वो केस वापस लेंगे?
दूसरी बात आपकी बिल्कुल सही है। नितिन जी ने खास कहा था क्योंकि केजरीवाल जी भी एक राजनीतिक व्यक्ति हैं, अगर वो अपने स्टेटमेंट को वापस लेते हैं, बल्कि नितिन जी ने ये भी कहा कि मैं उनको एम्बेरस करके अपॉलॉजी नहीं मांगता, उसको छोड़ दीजिए। जबकि मनीष तिवारी ने पहले ऐसी अपॉलॉजी भी दी थी जब उन्होंने गलत स्टेटमेंट कह रहे थे, लेकिन नितिन जी ने कहा मेरी रेपुटेशन मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, मेरे फैमिली के लिए, मेरे कार्यकर्ताओं के लिए, और सिंस मानहानि की है, स्टेटमेंट अगर केजरीवाल जी विड्रॉ करेंगे तो नितिन जी प्रिपेयर्ड थे कि इस केस को खत्म कर दिया जाए, क्योंकि कोर्ट ने भी ये कहा था कि नितिन जी आप इतने इम्पोर्टेंट मिनिस्टर हैं, आपके पास आगे कितने काम करने को हैं, लेकिन नितिन जी ने कहा लेकिन मेरी रेपुटेशन पे अगर कुछ भी आंच होगी तो मैं उसको सैक्रिफाइस नहीं कर सकता। अगर केजरीवाल जी वापस लेने की बात करते हैं अपने स्टेटमेंट को तो मैं उस बात पे समझौता करने के लिए तैयार हूँ, अन्यथा।
All right, let's get in a word from our correspondent Jaskirat Singh Baba, who's been tracking this developing story for us from Delhi. Jaskirat, an interesting exchange inside the courtroom. The judge asking both parties to bury the hatchet, but Kejriwal clearly not in the mood to do so.
Well, that's absolutely evident. Today was the first time that both these parties, Nitin Gadkari and Arvind Kejriwal, were personally present at the same time. Before this, they've only come in their individual capacity. Now, a conversation was initiated. The judge said that you both are public people. Mr. Gadkari's become a minister. Move on with your public life, serve the public, and bury the hatchet and shake your hands. Mr. Gadkari said that I don't want an apology, I just want the statement to be withdrawn. But nobody is as naive as that to understand that if Arvind Kejriwal does withdraw the statement, it will be a huge embarrassment, it will be taken as yet another U-turn, and it will definitely come across as perhaps an implied apology. Keeping that in mind, Arvind Kejriwal made the statement that I cannot take back my statements. The judge tried to use the logic that if we have any proof against Mr. Gadkari, the court of law and law is the right forum to bring it up in. If there's anything to do with Mr. Gadkari which is criminal in nature, bring forward the documents or the facts and the court will take cognizance of the matter. Why make statements in the media? No specific response from Arvind Kejriwal on that front. What we are expecting right now is at 1 o'clock the court will reconvene. The framing of the charges will take place. The framing of the notices for the charges will take place, and the law will take its own due course. Mr. Gadkari has been exempted, keeping in mind that he has to attend the parliament session, so he won't be coming back. But Mr. Kejriwal will be expected back at 1 o'clock.
Jaskirat, stay on with us. Headlines today with Jaskirat Singh Baba are getting you details of inside court proceedings. Both the leaders came face to face for the first time in the defamation case. The judge, I believe, told Gadkari, if you want, you can bury the hatchet right now. You're both politicians. You can use your time in a more meaningful manner. Gadkari reportedly told the court that he was okay with it if Kejriwal were to withdraw the statement against him. Gadkari has told the court that he had a similar problem with Manish Tiwari and he dropped the case after an official apology was tendered. The judge pointedly told Arvind Kejriwal that the country was looking up to both leaders and that it was not a prestige issue and that such unsubstantiated statements should not be made in public. Jaskirat Singh Bawa getting us these crucial details from inside the courtroom. Jaskirat, clearly it will be difficult for Arvind Kejriwal to take back his statement because his entire campaign as far as the Delhi elections and the Lok Sabha elections is concerned was actually built on a premise that both the BJP and the Congress parties are full of corrupt leaders.
Absolutely, and if you just take into consideration what the public mood is right now, the whole bail and jail episode that we saw in the last couple of weeks itself was not taken in the, in a very sympathetic view by a lot of people in the general public. Arvind Kejriwal tried to reason over here in this particular court, the Metropolitan Magistrate Gomti Manocha. They took the matter to the High Court. On both the forums, you said that there is absolutely no exception that can be made for you on the matter of bail or jail, and he was forced to take a U-turn by the High Court in applying for a personal bond in this particular matter as far as the defamation is concerned. To actually withdraw the statement would have been another U-turn, which is clearly something that Kejriwal is well aware would not go in his favor in the run-up to the Delhi elections. So keeping that in mind, it is being felt that he refused to withdraw the statement, and right now it seems like he is going to be facing the framing of the charges going forward.
Absolutely. Jaskirat, thanks so much for those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more. Jaskirat telling us that the court will reconvene at 1 o'clock and we can expect a little more headway in that case.